morning, sir. I am Lovan. Today we are attending the workshop Finite Element Analysis. In the workshop, we are discussing the several topics. First of all, we are discussing what are the types of differential equations. There are two differential equations are discussed with respect to place and time. With respect to place, dt by dx, and the x is represented to the place dt by dx not equal to 0, and the time is represented to the time dt by dt not equal to 0. And next we are discussing H method and P method. And the H method represents, and the H method, the element size not, the element is not changed, the count of the element. For example, we are choosing a quad element or trial element or tetra element. The element type is not changed. The count for when 1000 elements are created, but element not changed. You change only count of the element. That is the H method. When P method is a polynomial method. In P method, the element count will be changed. The type of element cannot change. Okay. Next, we are discussing about preprocessor, solver, and post-processor. When the preprocessor, we are design, geometry, design, and modeling. Next is solution, another than post-processing. The pre-processing is only 40% of work is done. For in pre-processing, only 40% pre-processing and solution. The post-processing is the main thing for analysis the any component. For analyzing any component, the post-processor is many very important. We are using post-processor. It is the main role in all industries.